Look, there's a Carabao in the backyard. Hey, Mr. Carabao. Look at him. This is the backyard. There's a castle. And this is the inside of the house. And that's...
Binigyan ko na si Robin ng telephone yung mga bata pa. Pera na ng $100.
That's Snowbell. She's on her period. There's a parade going on outside. Enjoy. We're going to church. On our way. We made it to church. It's literally like a 3-minute walk. Yeah.
What are you doing?
We just finished church. I gotta record. Yeah, Dad. Dad, what was the lesson about? Did you pay attention?
Just selling the current. They just finished worship service. They don't understand the lesson.
It's not our fault. We don't understand the lesson. English. Oh, who's that? Dad, who's that?
Yeah.
Who's that?
The national hero of Inyangan. Only.
Oh, that's my favorite song. Oh, is that my teacher? That's my teacher.
Your driver's ed teacher?
Yes.
That's the national hero.
Oh, look at this house. This house is nice.
When you say national hero, I really know it's
Look at the dog.
Oh. What happened? Dog? There's a dog. Karen's kind of scared.
Pudot, pudot. Pudot, pudot.
Look, dog.
Pudot.
Show you how close it is to the house. We're like seriously almost there. When we were younger, Karen and Mario called this house the castle. They never opened their gate, so we never seen how it looks like. Bum 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 bum. Dun 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 dun. Poopy. Big poop. That's probably from a Carabao. And we're home. Kind of, almost. That's home right there. Oh, there's cows. Okay. Oh, there's motorcycles. Made it. Huh? Okay. We're walking to the farm. Family's farm. And front. Oh, swag on. Yeah,
Swag on.
Swag on. It's on the path. They hold pigs in here. Do you hear that? Where is it? I hear it. Sounds big. I don't really care about the smell. Holy. This, I don't know what this is. Look. This is becoming a hike and a half.
Goyo.
Dad, you're slowing us down.
Give it to them. Since they don't like
Moo. 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 Fine, don't move. There's another one right there. Careful. Don't hit the barbed wire. Come on.
Are we here?
No, follow. He has to keep stopping for us. Wow. Oh, there's a pig in there. A pig and a rooster. Look at that rooster. Hold on, let me zoom in. Look at how huge it is. Yep. We made it to the farm.
Hanggang bukas na lang po yan.
Baka mamayang gabi.
Okay.
Hindi, talaga.
So there's pigs in here. Karen, come. Karen, come.
Uh,
I'm going with
Hindi awan ni Denver Garabikan, tugtugawa.
no, yeah, I think I need tissue.
Why? You cannot breathe. She don't like the smell.
Baka mamayang gabi na lang manganganak yan eh.
Don't like this, man.
I'm sweating.
Here, we have 9 here.
9?
9 pig.
Wala naman pagkain mo dito.
Where?
Here.
Oh, up there. That one's pregnant.
Oh, God.
The one in here is pregnant. But tell me it's I don't go close to that. Oh, that one's pregnant.
Do you grow them?
Hello, piggies.
Nakawala ba ito ng mga kong kaya?
Oh. There.
Holy
Huwag na nila isagin eh.
piggies!
Wow, there's a lot.
Wow! Hi. Can I pet it?
No.
Why?
Are they hungry? Or
That one's huge.
you're hungry?
Are you gonna feed them?
Like the drink water.
Come on, Dad. I remember Dad was petting it.
That's coming in.
Dad, come and touch it first. Piggy, piggy. Piggy, piggy, piggy. Can I touch it?
One flew.
Can? Oh! Hi.
Dad, here.
That was scary.
Pigs.
Holy. Like you're gonna pet it. Dad, can you pet one? Come on. Real quick. Can you pet it?
Huh?
Pet it, pet it.
Wait, for what?
Look.
Don't like
I want a pet.
smell.
Look.
Yeah.
Dad.
It's bacon.
Hi. Hi. Hi, hi, hi. Come up. Oh, what is
Yeah,
this?
smell. Okay.
Look at the chicken.
I cannot.
Mama, 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 mama. Hi.
Yeah, you Grandma's chicken.
Wow. Are you gonna feed the pig? That? I'm coming.
Look, Dad, they're gonna eat.
Ano ba bibigay malaki?
Alin?
Yan malaki?
Mamaya.
Oh, they're wild. Yay. Oh my goodness.
I like ducks better. They're nicer.
They don't care.
Chickens.
This is Mama Pig, and she's about to get ready to give birth. They said. You can tell.
Her kids are hiding very low. I think she's stuck like that.
Poor thing.
It's wagging its tail like a dog.
Where's her head?
Where?
Oh, she's moving back.
Oh, I see her head. It's huge. You see?
Oh, Mama Pig, you're very big, actually.
Oink oink.
So there's papayas and dragon fruit. And Karen, that's Tito. I don't know. Denver and Robin Hood.
Oh, one dollar.
Oh, someone ate the papaya. Chicken. We'll follow them. They know what to do.
It's like a cactus.
What happened?
Okay.
It died? Okay. Do you think there's gonna be dragon fruit? These are dragon fruits.
No, they said that. It's
Stuff.
only there in the summer.
Mom telling us to go grab dragon fruit. She's a liar. Okay, follow.
Just dig
Okay.
a pool.
Karen's gonna dig a ginger. Teach.
I'm a dig a ginger. Oh, my sunglasses. Oh my gosh! I don't know where to go. Like this? And then all the way inside. Where to go?
Oh wow! Good job, Karen. Going back. We're eating here. Is it Tito? Yes. Rochelle? Rochelle. Let me get this right. And this is Tito. Denver. And then Tita, Erica. Yeah, I got this. Lunch is served. Lunch. Huh? Oh, may I have to? Wait, we got Coke in a...
You're supposed to picture like that, like this picture. Coke in plastic.
Coke in plastic. Oh, I stuck over here. You told me the butt.
So dumb. Hello.
She cracked the butt.
Yeah, I cracked it.
Tapos yan, pwede tanong mo na, dito si Dao.
You suck it and then I'm gonna. I guess to the back of your throat you choke.
Cannot.
Harder. How?
Right.
There, you got it?
No.
Oh, there. Okay, there you go. You sort of it.
I want someone to Oh, there. She's sucking has nothing.
Stronger. Right, there. Stronger. Right, there. Okay.
Ew, it's on your chin.